class. This is Professor Thompson, and I want to welcome you to Principles of Sociology. And, and I have decided to record this video to assist you in locating important links and materials so you can complete the course material for the class. All right, well, let's get started here. I'm going to minimize my window here. Now, when you first log into Blackboard, one of the first things you will notice will be the announcements. And about 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what's going on during the week, I will post announcements and messages for to keep you abreast of what's going on in the class. Please read the announcements every time you log into Blackboard. I also send a duplicate of the announcement in your email. So make sure you're using your Western College email account, so you're receiving both announcements and any emails that I send out to the class, or there may be an individual email that I send to you. The class will officially begin on January 13th, and you'll have access to the course on that day. The required book, and yes, you absolutely need the textbook to complete the work in the class. The book for our class is by Diana Kendall, Sociology in Our Times, The Essentials, and it does include MindTap and other Cengage accessories. The only thing you will need from the Cengage book is the ebook chapters, are the chapters. I won't be using any of the quizzes or games or any of the other accessories from Cengage. So all you will need will be the ebook chapters. Here is the link, and I'll click on the link here, and so and once you've established an account, you can put in your email and your password, and you will be able to access the Cengage ebook for the course. Now, I have also uploaded PDFs of chapters 1, 2, and 3 for the textbook. So if you have not had an opportunity to purchase the textbook, you have a PDF version which will allow you to continue to read the material and complete the assignments. So there's no excuse for not completing the assignments on time. So you have the first 3 chapters that gives you 3 weeks to get the ebook. All right, so for this week, here are a checklist of items that you'll need to find. One is the syllabus, the discussion board rubric, quizzes, assignments, lecture notes, and I'll show you how to find all those in a moment. You will write an initial discussion post by Thursday, January 16th, and a reply post on Blackboard by Sunday, January 19th. You'll take quiz one. For each quiz in the class, the quizzes, you are allowed 90 minutes and you receive 2 attempts per quiz. And I will use your highest score for the quiz. Okay, so let's say, for example, you earned a 18 out of 20 on the first attempt, and then on your second attempt, you scored a 16 out of 20. Then the highest score, which was the 18 out of 20, that will count as your grade on the quiz. Also, you're going to write a student bio, and I will show you how to write a student bio here. I'll show you the student bio on Padlet in a moment here. But here is a link for the URL it goes over the features of Padlet and how to set up an account. You really don't need to set up an account, to post your work, but you can do it if you would like, and the video shows you how to do that. And then here's the Padlet board for our class, and I will be going over that in a few moments here. Okay. All right. And the password for Padlet, which you have to type in, the password or the good word is Spring 2020, and all lower cases and all one word, just as you see here. Okay. And then you can find the lecture notes and then the student journals. I'll show you where that is. And so just to recap, discussion posts are due every Thursday by midnight, and your reply posts, those are due every Sunday by midnight. Now, regarding email correspondence, I respond to email messages within 24 hours, and Monday to Friday. And I take time off on the weekends to spend time with my family and also to do other work, other research. Okay, so if you have something pressing that you would like an answer before the weekend, I suggest that you contact me before 3 p.m. On Friday, and that way I will get your email and answer your question. Also, in regards to email messages, it's best that you use your Western college email account. The college email account is a secure means of protecting your privacy. That's the first reason why you should use it. And the second reason why you need to use your the college email account is sometimes Google, Yahoo, and other email service account providers, those accounts, they may be shuffled into my spam folder and I may not see them. Okay, now if for some reason I don't respond to your email within 24 hours, please resend the email again. There are instances during the semester where I get so many emails that I may have overlooked yours, and so I really want to make sure that I answer all of your emails. All right, well, let's go through um, the important navigation links here. So here we have the announcements, and then next you have assignments. And so these are the assignments that you will be working on in the class. So the most important one that I wanted to show you is the student journal. You will be doing a student journal every week, okay? And so you'll click on here. And so for the student journal, you will either click the radio button that you don't have any written commentary, or if you have questions, make sure you click on the button and then you hit save and submit, okay? And then there's also a link here that you can use to write me an email message. So you can click on there and then go to your email account and write a message, and make sure that you click save and submit so you earn the 5 points for the exercise. Okay, now here is my contact information, my email address, and my a biological profile about me. And if you need to contact me, the best way to contact me is to request a meeting via email, and we can set up a telephone office meeting, or we can do a virtual office meeting online here through the internet. So whichever one you're most comfortable with. All right, now the next link I want to show you, here are weekly quizzes. This is one way for you to access your quizzes. The next one is the discussion board. You will click on here. The first week, we are going to be learning about the sociological imagination, and we will be using the opioid epidemic as a case study to learn about this very important concept here. And so all you would do is hit the reply button, and you will write your post. Okay. Now, one other thing I wanted to make about the thread. If you write your post later in the week, such as Wednesday night or Thursday evening, you will find that the instructor question prompt, it will be located all the way at the end of the form. So just scroll down to the bottom of the thread, and you will most likely find my question prompt. Okay, and here we have a section on the lecture notes. Here are all the lecture notes for the class. And here's a feature where you can email the instructor. And here you will find the syllabus. And here's the textbook information. And again, the course link. Now, the last navigation link that I wanted to show you, it's called the checklist. Start here. So after you read the announcement, the next thing I would recommend you do is you click on the checklist start here link. Here, what I provide you is the link for the course textbook, in which you can, that's another way you can get it, or you could use the announcements link, either way. And I have broken down all of the assignments the week in which they're due. So every week you'll have a checklist. You'll read the chapter and the lecture notes, and it will tell you everything you need to accomplish for the week. This week you're going to write a student bio. You'll have a discussion board initial post due on Thursday, a discussion board reply post due Sunday. You'll have to take the chapter quiz by Sunday and complete the student journal by Sunday. And here, for those of you who do not have your ebook, here's the link for chapter 1 in the form of a PDF. All right, so this gives you an idea of what you have to do for the week. What you will want to do next is click on the link, and here is the link for the discussion post, the quiz. You'll find the lecture notes, the copy of Kindle, your journal for the week, and also any other assignments that are due for the week. So here you're going to write a student bio, okay? And with the student bio, remember, it's spring 2020. That is the password. So the only thing you'll need to do is that you'll just need to click on the plus sign here, and you'll give it a title. You can write student bio. You can write your name. Make sure you give it a byline. Okay, your name, and then post your student bio. All right, and then the next thing is you will click on these 3 dots here. The 3 dots, one is the film button, okay, and click allow. And it will open up your video cam and your microphone. Okay, so I'm going to close it here because I need to get the video done. The other thing you can do is you can go to upload and click on pick a file, and you can find a file where you have it stored on your folder, and upload a photo for the class. Okay, and just so to show you, at the end of my bio, I uploaded, this is the photo that I had uploaded. Okay, so just remember to put your name, a byline, your name in your student bio so you get credit for it. And also watch the link here. Here's a YouTube link explaining how to work with Padlet. Well,